Hello everyone, good morning. Hope that you all are fine and studying very well. I am your Shushmita ma'am, and today we are going to do an interesting activity on the days of the week. Yes, today we will do an activity on the days of the week. We all know that there are 7 days in a week, and today we are going to make a flower of the days of the week. Yes, so for our flower of the days of the week, we will need one drawing copy, one bangle. You can take a bangle from your mother, one Fevigum, scissor, scale, black marker, pencil and some color pencils. So these are the things we will need to make our flower of the days of the week. Now let's begin our activity. Now we will make a circle with the help of this bangle. And it's done. Now we will cut the circle with the help of our mama and papa. Now we will write on the circle days of the week. DAYS, days. OF, of. The, THE, the. Week, 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 days of the week. Now you can choose your favorite color and color it according to your own favorite color. As we are making flower of the days of the week, we all know that flowers have petals. So we are going to make some petals now. Can you tell me how many petals we will make? We will make 7 petals for 7 days of the week. After making the 7 petals, cut it with the help of your mama and papa. Look here, I am having 7 petals for the 7 days of the week. Now on the petals, we will write the names of the days of the week. We will start from Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. Now you will color it according to your favorite color. Look here everyone, our 7 petals for the 7 days of the week are ready. First one is SUNDAY, Sunday, MONDAY, Monday, TUESDAY, Tuesday, WEDNESDAY, Wednesday, THURSDAY, Thursday, FRIDAY, Friday, and SAT Saturday, Saturday. I am having 7 petals for the 7 days of the week. Now we will stick the petals with its central part. And it's done. Look here. Our flower of the days of the week is done and it is looking very beautiful. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 7 days of the week. So kids, you also make a flower like this, okay? As we are making a flower, let us make some bees for our flower. Look here, I have made one bee. Now I will show you how to make a bee. Kids, we will make 3 bees, okay? 3 bees for our flower. After making the bees, we will color it and cut it with the help of our mama and papa. Look here, the bees are looking very nice. Now we will make 3 clouds. Yes, we will make 3 clouds and we will color it and cut it with the help of our mama and papa. So kids, on our 3 clouds we will write today is, tomorrow will be and yesterday was. So look here, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow will be Monday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. So that will be tomorrow. And yesterday was Saturday. What comes before Sunday? Saturday. So you will write like this on the clouds. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. After Wednesday comes Thursday and yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So like this you will make the flower of the days of the week and you will make 3 clouds and 3 bees for our flower. Now it's your turn to make it at home, okay? Hope that you all have enjoyed today's class and our flower of the days of the week activity. Make it at home, everyone. Take care. Thank you.